Let's talk about this quote, everyone. Your vision will become clear only when you can look into your own heart. Who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakes. Carl Jung. Those who look outside at others to society for an indication of how they should act or fit into the world are lost in a dream. Perhaps a nightmare. 'Di ba? I did it before. Marami akong ginawa na I thought it's me. Marami akong naging decisions na it's not me. Pero dahil I want to be in that group or I want to feel accepted, I did it. Hanggang sa nakalimutan ko na sino talaga ako. Nakalimutan ko yung character ko, things that I like. And then one day, I realized, why am I doing this? I started to change. I started doing the things that I like. Bahala na kung may kasama ako or wala. Pero nung sinimulan ko gawin yung mga bagay because I like it or that's what I love, the right people came in. And I don't feel lost anymore. You know, to awaken is to look within. You have to look within your own heart, to trust your intuitions, and to be brave enough to live life on your terms. Hindi yung iniisip mo what will others' opinions or judgments sa'yo. Nakafocus ka lang sa life na gusto mo. Yung life that lights you up. Yung ikaw mismo. The authentic you. And if you learn this, that is the awakened life. The real you, living with freedom of all outside expectations and opinions. Simula nung ginawa ko yun, I found my purpose, my way, and I enjoyed life. Being awakened is a lonely life, but you will be connected deeply with your true self. And don't worry, the right soul, the right people will come. Be the boss of your life and always be the best version of yourself. Be limitless.